Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an ICT class for class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, Lesson 5. So dear students, please look at the lesson we're going to do today. We're going to continue Information and Communication Technology at Workplace. Lesson 5 and page 11 of your textbook. Let's look at the picture first. Industrial robot is now doing the dangerous mechanical works. So let's see how robots are being used in workplaces. Will it not be good if this risky job is done by robots and not by people? You know that in industrial workplaces there are risky jobs. If those works were done by robots, it would be better for human beings. You will be happy knowing that people are shifting the responsibilities of risky jobs to robots. People become tired of doing the same job day after day. It is monotonous and they do not like to do it either. But robots do not get tired of working. They do not even complain about the monotonous jobs. So people have no longer been working as laborers in big industries of the world. This change has already come in the big industries of the world. The robots do the heavy works there and the people only monitor the work they do. The robots can skillfully get the risky jobs done. And with more time, machines will do the heavy jobs instead of humans by using information and communication technology. Let's look at the next picture. This car runs without a driver. You know that many accidents occur in our country every day. But it is predicted that accidents will come to a stop after a few decades since people will no longer drive vehicles. In the future, information-based devices will control the movements of vehicles. Though it's yet to be used in road transports, it's already being used in air traffic. When big aircrafts fly in the sky, the pilots do not have to do anything. So it's not being used in the roads everywhere yet, but it's used in air traffic already. The computer controls everything. Now, fighter aircrafts do not have any pilot. It's frequently known from newspapers that drone aircrafts are fighting and dropping bombs on targets every day without being controlled by pilots. Let's look at the picture. This is the picture of a drone given. This aircraft flies in the sky without a pilot. We have already talked about running official communication through information technology in the previous lessons regarding workplace. But official meetings are now held using this technology too. Officials of different offices make conferences sitting in their own workrooms. The concept of e-classroom is instituted in our universities. Innumerable people of the country will attend the class of an e-class teacher when they teach in their classroom. Office management cannot be imagined without information technology. Once a letter was required to move a file from one office to another, but an electronic file can move from one place to another in a moment. It's difficult to move physical files from one office to another, but now it's become easier since electronic files are transferable between computers. The most important job of an office is to keep accounts. Now they have neither to handle big ledgers nor to do anything manually, since information technology provides all the facilities to accomplish everything instantly by computer. So keeping accounts is an important job in an office, but that has also become easier due to information technology. They do not need to handle big ledgers. They can accomplish everything instantly by using a computer. In workplaces, people have to talk, confer and arrange seminars. But as you saw in the past few lessons regarding the workplace, all this could be done so easily Now that sometimes we become surprised at thinking how they were done previously. So dear students, in these lessons, we saw that workplace has become a very convenient place when you are using information technology. Your today's homework is making 10 MCQs from lessons 1 to 5 of chapter 1. We have read up to this point till now, so you'll make 10 MCQs by yourself from the informations of lessons 1 to 5 of chapter 1. Okay, dear students, I hope you read the chapters and all the lessons carefully to make the informative MCQs by yourself. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe.